What's up, traders? Welcome to Fast Futures Trader. Today we're diving into how to trade MNQ futures with discipline and precision, focusing on reading price action around fair value gaps and key support and resistance levels. If you're tired of guessing and want a simple but deadly approach to trading the Micro Nasdaq, this is for you. MNQ, the Micro Nasdaq, is fast, clean, and perfect for learning how to trade price action in real time. You're getting all the movement of the Nasdaq with reduced risk. What makes it so powerful for new traders is that you get to learn execution in a live market by limited risk to prop firm account fees. Instead of blowing your personal investment accounts, you get real feedback and you build real skill. Let's talk about the key pillars of the strategy one use every day. Price action around fair value gaps. FVGs, I look for clean price displacements followed by retracements back into the imbalance. If price fills that gap and holds, it's a powerful entry zone. Retests of support and resistance. These are your battlefield zones. If price breaks through support, then retests from below and rejects, that's your short. If it reclaims resistance and holds, that's your long. This isn't about indicators. It's about reading the tape and understanding where price should react. Then we strike. Here's how I define it. Buying dips. Price runs up, pulls back into a fair value gap or prior support. I enter as soon as price taps the level. No hesitation. No candle confirmation. If I've mapped the zone correctly, I make the trade. Place stop below the gap at -5 to 1 risk to reward. Target is the recent high. Selling rips. Price rallies into resistance or fills an upside imbalance. You see price stretch. That's your entry. Don't wait. Short right into the rip. Place stop above the high at -5 to 1 risk to reward. Target is back into the range or prior support. You're front-running reversals, not reacting to them. If you're getting value from this and you want more price action-focused futures content, tap that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. Now let's talk about risk, and this is where I differ from the standard playbook. Most traders talk about risking 1 to make 3. Me? I flip it. I risk more to take fast, controlled profits. My edge is in high confidence, high probability scalps, not big home runs. On every setup, I'm typically targeting 5 to 10 points, sometimes even 3, but I'm willing to risk more than that, up to 25 to 30 points, if the entry setup is clean. That's a -5 to 1 risk to reward, and it works if and only if you're executing on high-quality zones with tight confirmation and reacting fast. Stops are wide enough to allow the playroom, maybe just below the support retest or outside the FVG. Targets are precise. Take the profit when the gap fills, when liquidity gets swept, or when momentum shifts. This approach isn't for everyone, but it works for me because I stay mechanical, I cut losers fast, and I size appropriately. Snipers don't just fire because they see the target. They wait. They assess the wind, their breath, the terrain. And they only pull the trigger when the shot is perfect. Why? Because missing exposes their position. It's not just a failed shot, it's a blown mission. That's exactly how you need to trade MNQ. You don't enter because price is close to a level. You wait. Let it fill the imbalance. Let it test the zone. Let it reject. When the story lines up, then you pull the trigger. One shot, one trade. That's the mindset. Let's walk through a trade example. Price breaks above resistance, creates a fair value gap on the move, pulls back into the FVG, holds with a bullish engulfing candle. Entry taken at 25,021.50, stop at 25,014.00. Targeted previous high at 25,034.75, 1.7 our winner. Why did this trade work? Reaction at the gap, context from the level, discipline on the exit. Another example, price spikes into resistance, fills the gap, stalls with lower highs. That's a short signal. Same method, flipped. You don't need indicators. You don't need 5 monitors. You need patience, price action, and a plan. I'd rather take 2 clean shots a day than 10 emotional ones. That's how you grow. That's how you stay in the game. If you are trading with prop firms, this is the edge. Trade like a funded trader now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.